This video will review the RE Applications version 4.0 Properties module. In this video, we will cover searching properties, availabilities, and comps, and reporting on properties, availabilities, and comps. Within your RE Applications database, the Properties module consists of three main components. There are properties, availabilities, and comps. Properties are going to be the buildings and their physical attributes, including the spaces and the tenancy within those buildings. Availabilities are going to be buildings or pieces of a building that are available for lease or for sale. Comps are going to be buildings or pieces of a building that have been leased or sold. When searching for any of these different types of records, you can use the widgets that are located on your dashboard. Each individual user has the ability to customize their dashboard by dragging and dropping the widgets wherever they would like. The easiest way to search for records is using the widgets. Each widget that you can search from will also display the last 10 records that you've had open. And to open up any of them, you simply go to the pull down, click on the record you want, and it will open up. If you need to search using the widget, these widgets are dynamic, which means when I choose a property type, it will dynamically open up into more fields. There will be times, however, that you need to search for records by more or different criteria than what's on the widget. For cases like that, you can click the Detailed button, which will open up a more comprehensive search form and allow you to search for records by all of the criteria you see listed here. There will be times that you need to search for records by more or different criteria than what's on the widget and more or different criteria than what's under the Detailed. That's when you can use the Advanced. The Advanced allows you to build a search based on any criteria that you want. As I add pieces of a criteria, they go down below with a little D for delete to the left of each one. The Advanced Search allows you to search on any field in the property forms, including all the records created by a specific individual within a specific date range, revised by a specific individual, or revised within a specific date range. In addition to which, the Advanced Search allows you to search on all of the comments fields you will see throughout the property forms. You can do a keyword search on any of them using the Advanced Search. Whether it's cooler comments, crane comments, current financing comments, you have the ability to do a keyword search on any of them. Once you've entered in all of your criteria, click the search button and it will produce a list of results. If you want to report on these records, you can select the specific records you want to report on. If you want to report on all of the records on the list, you don't need to select any. There is a limit of 200 records at a time. If I want to report on all 4 of these records, I'm not going to select anything. I'm going to go to the pull down at the top that says I want to report on all or selected records, which means if I've selected any, it will only report on the records I've selected. If I don't select any of them, it reports on all of them that are on the list, up to 200 at a time. Once I click on that, it will then open up the reporting window. This allows me to put a title on it, as well as who the report is by and who the report is for. It will default to the person logged in as the report by. If you need to change that, go to the lookup, do a search for the person. When you find them, hit the word select to the left of their name. The same thing for the report for. Under the summary list, you will see a list of different types of reports that you can run. In this case, I'm on properties, so I have 4 different property records I can search on, or report on. I have a map, which will pin each of the records, and if I mouse over the pin, it brings up a thumbnail as well as some basic information about it. I can click on aerial and zoom in. This is a live map before you print it. Once you get it where you want, you can then either preview it or hit the print button. The different types of records have different types of reports. You will see a comprehensive list of property reports, availability reports, and comp reports. In addition to which, your company may have customized some reports, and those will be found under here as well. For additional information, call the help desk 626-803-5145.